Taking the leap into dashcam protection for you and your vehicle has never been easier with BlackVue's ecosystem of dashcam solutions. Our products and services were designed to give users options when choosing the level of protection that's right for them. Unplanned moments happen. The most essential level of protection from a dashcam is to have one that's continuously recording to ensure these moments are captured. But what about protection when you're away from your vehicle overnight or parked in an unsafe place? What if your dashcam is stolen or tampered with? Is the footage lost? What if you'd like to monitor your parked vehicle or a fleet of company vehicles in real time? BlackVue's parking mode, LTE dashcams, and cloud connectivity service were designed to provide solutions to these questions and provide 24/7 protection for users seeking the ultimate peace of mind. With BlackVue Cloud and LTE-equipped dashcams, you can monitor your vehicle in real time directly in the BlackVue app. You can track one or even a fleet of vehicles and receive notifications if there is an impact or motion detected. Most importantly, if an incident occurs, the footage is backed up safely to the cloud. LTE-equipped dashcams can also be used as Wi-Fi hotspots for up to 5 devices, allowing friends and family to hop online from your dashcam while on the road. All of our dashcams, from simple to more advanced setups, come standard with BlackVue's parking mode. Parking mode automatically engages when the vehicle is turned off
Parking mode on.
by utilizing the included hardware kit to switch to the vehicle's battery. This means your dashcam remains on guard when your vehicle is off and you're away. Parking mode can be programmed from the app to prevent draining your vehicle's battery. For even longer periods of protection while running on battery power, BlackVue's external batteries can easily be added to your dashcam system to take the burden off of your vehicle's battery. Although the problems we've solved in dashcam protection are complex, we've made installing our system simple with the average user in mind with every step of the way.